All right, welcome to the video. Let's talk about some good news. We've got some good price momentum going on with XRP with the overall market. And per the title of the video, major buy alert has been issued. Want to share that with you and kind of give you some context around that. So quite a bit to cover here in this XRP news video, as well as giving you an XRP price prediction here. So let's talk about this. If you're new to me, my name's Austin. Please consider giving me a like and a subscribe here on YouTube. By the way, subscribing here on YouTube is free. It just means you want to follow my content. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. And I cover XRP and crypto, Bitcoin, all that every single day with two goals. I want to help you make more money. Okay. And I want to help you keep you more better informed. And those usually in my mind kind of go hand in hand. Okay, so as I said, right now we've got XRP. It's at $2.29. It's actually trading in a nice tight consolidation pattern, and I'll share that with you. You can see that we've been right here since about the 3rd of December. We've been trading in this consolidating pattern, and that's just been the reality of where XRP has been. I'll take you back to the good old days, if you will, back in November, where we saw XRP go up just shy or right around 500+% in about 80 days. This was after President Trump got elected here in the United States, and the euphoria of knowing that the tides were going to change for crypto and that it was a new era coming in for crypto. Okay, but since then, XRP has really been trading in that consolidating range. Okay, and as I said, I've got a buy alert issue for you, and I'm going to share that with you in just a minute. So the overall market, as we are kind of looking at what's going on, has been really steadily climbing in the last couple of days. I think a lot of it has been because of the United States and China trade relations are improving per the meeting that's happening in London yesterday and today. We've got that going on. So actually nothing bad on the Wall Street side. I hadn't checked it yet, so kind of want to check it live with you. You know, right here, stocks steady in wait for clues on U.S.-China trade talks. Crypto has been moving up as a percentage, or kind of it's been doing better than stocks, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so again, Ethereum is on fire at 7+%. Okay, so let's shift over to kind of what I've got for you here. So remember, I showed you that chart right here. This is where we saw XRP consolidating. This is just a more zoomed in view of kind of currently what is going on. And this is really what I wanted to talk to you about right here. So right there, we've got a momentum up, a buy alert. And that buy alert is actually coming in from my trading indicator that has been live now for 2+ years. Thousands of people are using it and getting great results with that piece of software. It's about $1.15 per day to use it is what it costs. And it tells you when to buy and when to sell. And I'll give you, like, look, just with XRP, you can see there's about 3 examples here on the screen. So let me share this with you. So this was the last time a buy alert was issued, all the way up to that sell alert. That was about a 16% move up. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but if you look at kind of incremental gains, if you want to do some swing trading, so in 7 days, you could have made 16% on XRP, just XRP. That's just one example. And I got others to share with you here in just a minute. So, you know, $1,000 bought here, then sold there would have made you a profit of about $163. Now, again, we've now got a buy alert issued here, and we're up about 4.5+% from that buy alert. Okay, so that buy alert coming in, telling you it's the right time to buy. Again, I'm going to take you back to here when we saw XRP just massively go up before this consolidating pattern, 83 days, about 500%. So $2,000 bought there, then sold at the top would have made you 10 grand in profit. Okay, let me give you another example. This is Ethereum. Look, Ethereum's right here. See the lower left, there's a buy alert here. So there's the Ethereum right before Ethereum started taking off. Okay, we know it's been moving. In about 44 days, it's about 70%. So $1,000 bought here, sold here, would have made a profit of over $700. Now notice that sell alert came in right there, and then the software waited for the next buy alert trigger, and now it's triggered again right here because the momentum shifted, and all of the technical analysis factors that the software looks at, all the variables and the data it takes in, said, okay, now it's the right time to buy Ethereum. That's it. That's how it works. Okay. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up that there's been an XRP buy alert. Now is XRP going to break out and go above this line and break out of this resistance? Hey, that's too early to tell right now, right? So we've historically, as again, if you kind of look at the more zoomed out view, you can see that XRP has been trading and bumping up against that resistance at about $2.55, $2.60. Okay, but That doesn't mean that you can't make money while it's trading in this range, or obviously make money with other cryptos. I mean, here's Bitcoin as an example. Buy alert there, all the way to that sell alert in 48 days, 30%. You can see the software working in real time, telling you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So again, that buy alert coming in for XRP, we've had one issued right there. So you can see it's coming in. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up, let you guys know that it is there. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can, as well as if you want to take advantage of and try the software, you can do that as well. Links in the description below to say X1 Algo. That is my software right there. Coming in on that quarterly option is the best on a price per day. About $1.15 is what it costs you. Okay. You spend more than $1.15 on a cup of coffee or a soda or Coke or, I mean, a bag of chips or whatever. A hamburger costs you more than what the software costs you on a per day basis. So isn't your financial success worth more to you than a hamburger or a cup of coffee? At least try it. Because, oh, by the way, you have 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee here. Okay. So I wanted to kind of give you an opportunity to and show you real time, show you the software working, and show you how it can help you, again, make more money, just to give you a final perspective. Ethereum, right? Ethereum right here. Boom. Buy, sell, 70%. Bitcoin, buy, sell, 30%. Oh, and by the way, you can use the software for stocks. This is Tesla. Look, buy here, sell here. Sell, don't take a 50+% loss. Buy, and you can see the software working in real time, telling you exactly when to buy and when to sell. It's almost like a cheat code, right? Because it tells you, do you know when to buy any software or any stock? No. I mean, any stock or crypto is what I meant to say. Do you know when to buy or when to sell? Because that's really what it's about, right? If you knew when to buy and knew when to sell, then you're making profit. You're putting that extra money in your pocket. That's your plan. That can be your plan to step it up and make even more crypto profits as well as stock profits. Because again, you're looking at the software working for Tesla stock right there. Ethereum, XRP, again, right here. Look at this, man. This massive run up there, almost 500+%. Tells you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So links are down there. Take advantage of it. You got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. All right. I'll see you. Take care.